Keep an eye on the bed. Lowering the truck now. Watch your step over there. Keep coming back, slow. Keep it slow. All right, keep it slow. Stop, right there.
Keep them separated by size. Car, truck, OTR, moving them through. Watch the big one on the right.
Passenger.
OTR.
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 Sort by category.
Farm tire.
Farm tires.
All right, bringing in the next load of tires. Copy that, Bay 1 is clear. Entering now.
Set them down easy. Coming in slow. All right, right there. The system's running smoothly now. Good, we need to monitor the lockout procedure closely.
Keep back from the drop zone. Clear.
Forklift reversing.
Be careful of the shards.
The pressure's still looking good here. We need to monitor that feed rate though. I'll check it now.
The heated extruder activates, causing the sulfur crosslinks to vibrate and glow. The heat breaks the bonds, allowing the individual... The chute has been engaged, and the strips are filling the carrier. The isolation is holding correctly.
Tire installed. Initiating curing cycle.
Ensure the weight limits are checked.
Roger that.
Watch the clearance.
All right, feeding the film now. Looks like it's taken hold. Okay, fully wrapped, cycle complete. Cutting the film and stopping the machine. Scan complete, all clear. Great, stamping these now, ready for dispatch.
Keep it coming, straight onto the leveler. Right here, clear, keep going.
The right balance of performance and safety.
Installed and ready to go.
Thanks, looks great.